top 3 indicators recommended by Nexus Ledger that you can actually try or tinker with. So let's just go into it. So you can use it for any asset. So even if you want to use it for, let's say, GBP USD, so you can use it for that as well. And let's just get into it. So just go to indicators, and we have already favorited it. So and this is not, in numbering, it's just top 3. So all are very good. So first of all is this machine learning RSI Bull Vision, a very good indicator in the community service in TradingView. Let me just, so here it is. So what it does is actually it uses RSI, but it implements sort of machine learning in a limited way into Pinescript, and then it gives you trend shift signals. So let's just say, the green changed into red and the price came down, and then the red changed into green and the price went up, but it was a false signal. So it doesn't works too much good in ranging environments, but it does works good in trending environments. So I would definitely recommend this one. You can use it with a filter of like ATR, and it can work good. But again, it's just an indicators video, so it's totally upon you. So second one is actually, let me just delete this. Okay. So the second one is actually an indicator by, which one was that? Okay, yeah, so this is the one. It's by JDE Hardy, I think. Yeah, so this is actually a wave trend indicator, and it's one of the most top used indicators in TradingView. So it uses so it uses wave trend to determine signals, and it also uses multiple other filters that you can tinker on. I won't go into extreme details, but it has tooltips that you can hover and know what it actually does. Okay, so I'm using the default version, and like basically what it does is on the red dots you are selling. It's like a sell signal, but you want to first wait for the wave. So like, for example, you can see this is a green wave, and then there's another green wave, but it's smaller, right? So you would be wanting to have a red dot here, but a big one, right? This is a small one. This is again a small one, and this is a big green dot, right? So then you can see that, it gives a signal after closing. So you have the signal here, and then the price came a little bit down, and then it went really up, right? So this is another indicator, and you have to use it with waves, right? So you can't just be buying like randomly on the green and red dots. You have to use it with the waves things. And then the third indicator that we would recommend to tinker with is actually delta band, and this is our own custom developed indicator. And so the delta band is actually, you can go here and you have to optimize it for the asset that you're using for the volatility. So this is a mean reversion indicator that we had developed, and so let's just say you go here, and for the volatility that British pound is having in the 5-minute, I would choose it to go, for example, with 2.8, right? So 2.8 is probably a good number, 2.8 or 3. And then you can see that, we have a couple of trades here. So whenever it hits the lower band, that's a support area where it can mean revert back to the upper side. And, same goes for the red band. So you can see that, it came here, it went up, and it came here, and then went down again. And then here it kind of, got really out of the band, which means that, the market is really trending. So you have to use it again for mean reversions. So if you want to do trend trading, I would go with the first indicator. If you want to go with mean reversion, I would go with this one. So again, these are the 3 indicators that we would recommend at Nexus Ledger. And if you want to build your own custom proprietary solutions, that, even if you want to use indicators, you don't want to use indicators, you want to create custom algorithms, you want to create custom solutions for trading or for fintech, you can contact us here on our website. You just go to services, and you can just get a free code and put your name, email, and platform that you want to do, and send us, right? So we will do that, whatever it is for trading and fintech. This was it for the video. Thank you.